Katy, come here. Come say hi. You are so pretty. There is currently a blizzard happening here in Minnesota. It's like middle of April and this should not be happening. Last year, all the snow was gone and we had such warmer temperatures. Like, I don't understand. I have to show you outside the door. All right, so I'm gonna show you the blizzard. It's insane. Oh my gosh. This is currently what's happening outside of my door, and honestly my camera's starting to get wet, so I have to shut the door. I'm literally full of snowflakes in my hair. Okay, so this is the giant package that the CoverGirl box came in, which is so exciting. And I was so surprised, and I actually recorded my first impression or my first reaction on Instagram. So if you head over to my Instagram, which is just Carrie Tribble, and click on my highlight reel, which is entitled CoverGirl, you'll see the unboxing of this and a more thorough, like, kind of peek into every layer that they sent me, but it's just so amazing.